Present simple or present indefinite. Definition is it indicates habitual activity, journal fact, repeated action, natural facts, newspaper heading and daily routine. ये जाहिर करता है आदत पर मबनी सरगर्मी को, आम हकीकत, दोहराए जाने वाले काम को, कुदरती हकीकतों को, अखबार की सुर्खियों को और रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी की सरगर्मियों को. If we talk about affirmative or assertive means कि अगर हम हामी में बात करते हैं then we use subject plus verb first form plus object. If we talk about he, she, it or noun then we use s or es with verb first form. For instance, मेरी अम्मी 5 वक्त की नमाज वक्त पर अदा करती हैं. My mother performs 5 times नमाज on time. मैं 5 वक्त की नमाज वक्त पर अदा करती या करता हूँ. I perform 5 times नमाज on time. हम लोग अंग्रेज़ी ज़बान मिस सिद्रा काशिफ से सीखते हैं. We learn English language by Miss Sidra Kashif. If we talk about negative means कि अगर हम मनफी की बात करते हैं then we use formation subject plus don't or doesn't plus verb first form plus object. If you are IELTS student then you are not allowed for contraction form, you know very well. That's why you can change it like subject plus do not or does not plus verb first form plus object. Don't or do not we use for I, you, we, they. Doesn't or does not we use for he, she, it or noun. तुम अम्मी की बात नहीं मानते हो, you don't obey mother या you do not obey mother. अली अम्मी की बात नहीं मानता, अली doesn't obey mother या अली does not obey mother. वो अम्मी की बात नहीं मानता या मानती, he or she doesn't obey mother या he or she does not obey mother. अगर लड़का है तो he है, लड़की है तो she है. If we talk about interrogative means कि अगर हम सवालिया की बात करते हैं then we use formation does or do plus subject plus verb first form plus object plus question mark. क्या वो गालम गलोच से बात करता है? Does he talk abusive? क्या तुम अंग्रेज़ी सीखने के लिए अंग्रेज़ी किताबें पढ़ते या पढ़ती हो? Do you read English books to learn English? When we talk about interrogative means कि अगर हम सवालिया मनफी की बात करते हैं then we use formation doesn't or don't plus subject plus verb first form plus object plus question mark. Another way does or do plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object plus question mark. क्या वो गालम गलोच से बात नहीं करता? Doesn't he talk abusive or does he not talk abusive? क्या हम मिस सिद्रा काशिफ से अंग्रेज़ी नहीं सीखते हैं? Don't we learn English by Miss Sidra Kashif या do we not learn English by Miss Sidra Kashif? If we talk about WH or detailed questions means कि अगर हम तफसीली सवालात की बात करते हैं then we use formation WH plus do or does plus subject plus verb first form plus object plus question mark. For negative WH plus doesn't or don't plus subject plus verb first form plus object plus question mark. Another way for IELTS students without contraction WH plus does or do plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object plus question mark. WH means why, where, when, what, how, for whom, for what, which, etc. तुम अपना वक्त क्यों ज़ाया करते हो? Why do you waste your time? तुम कैसे वक्त ज़ाया नहीं करते? How do you not waste time? अली अम्मी की बात क्यों नहीं मानता? Why doesn't Ali obey mother? या why does Ali not obey mother?